So, hello everyone. So today is the fourth or the fifth episode, I can't count, of my PC building series. Today I bring you the case, the Lian v100r Vector. It's a new model, an entry model, and yeah, let's just show you the box.
Weak editing note, I forgot to mention the price. Was $67.99, which is amazing.
It's an ATX case, of course, because of the motherboard. 4 RGB fans included. I do not care about RGB, I just wanted the fans. And yeah, let's open it. So, it's a fish tank model type case. This is how it comes, just with two, I don't know the name of this, and a plastic cover on it, some manuals, it's gonna be very important on how everything gets assembled. Very nice. Here it is. This is the case.
Few moments later.
One panel off. Let's just set this aside for the moment. So yeah, this is the case. There's a power button here. I don't know what this is. This is the audio jack, USB-C 3.2 and two USB-A's. An ATX motherboard. The thing that I saw online is, maybe you should come closer. The thing is that I saw online was that these things here are not on the outside, so it's just looking shit here. So yeah, we're gonna have to fix that on the day of the build. What do we have here? We have some zip ties. What do we have here more? Thank you for your purchase, Lian Lee. Lovely. This is to hold the GPU. It's the new system they also have, which is very nice and handy. This one also brings a GPU holder, but it might be required. More things that I know what to do with it. Yeah, this is nice. This is very nice. So to open this part, just push it a bit, but be careful, don't break it. So one of the things that actually made me want to get this case was this little part here. So like I was saying, one of the things that got me to buy this case was because of this. It's something not, not necessary. It's not fuck off, mate. Open. The fuck? It's something that it's not about airflow. It's not about. It's just aesthetics. You can use this to have a figurine here. Which, come on now, you gotta say it's fucking amazing. I know. Thank you. So, enough of that. Let's keep on moving around and see the case on the back. So this is the airflow or the dust cover for the ECU. This is for what's the name, motherboard. This is to hold the brackets of the GPU also, and let's see it on the back, how it looks. Nice little openings. You just push here and it opens. And now what do we have here? Okay, nice little cable management. This here is shitey. This is gonna have to be fixed because this should definitely be coming from the back, not from the front. but okay. This is to hold your SSDs if you want to. Jesus. If you want to also, which is nice. And it holds like this. Yeah, it's pretty nice. This also I think it comes out. Yes. Yes, it full on disintegrates and it just looks like this. Oh yes, and of course the RGB here. And yeah, pretty nice. It is actually pretty nice. Thank you. Bye.